Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am Cherry, and if you are new here, I do luxury unboxing, reviews, lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you, and I truly appreciate your continuous support to my channel. So if you are following me on Instagram, I've posted a reels about my latest Chanel purchase. So today, join me as I reveal what's inside this beautiful Chanel box. So I went to the Chanel boutique in San Francisco to purchase this item a day after the election. And it was a fine day, but I did not expect that all the shops in the Union Square, San Francisco, including Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and other stores, are all boarded up. My essay told me that they are closing early that day, so instead of my 3 p.m. appointment, I went there at 1 p.m. So it was a quick visit, and I'm so thankful that I got this item, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So let's unbox this. So guys, this is the mini flat bag, or also known as the mini square, and I got it in lambskin. So this is my very first lambskin bag from Chanel, and I got it in dark red and in silver hardware. So this is in the 20B collection, and in dark red I bought it for $3,600. So luckily there was no price increase yet. I'm so happy that I found this perfect shade of red because it's not too bright and I can dress it up and dress it down. So I've been wanting to have a red bag in my collection, so this is my very first red bag from Chanel. It has this interlocking CC twist lock and silver hardware, and at the back it also has this back pocket. And let's go to the interior, and on the inside, as you can see, it is an open compartment. The zipper holder has this Chanel engraved and CC on the other side. Okay, so this is my authenticity card. Inside this pocket is also leather. Also this flap pocket right here, the inside is also in leather, so I will be more careful putting stuffs inside so to avoid scratches. Let's see what fits inside this mini flat bag. So next, I'm gonna show you some mud shots.
What I want is baby right now, I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. Know it's time, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems tonight. No, it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! So this is one of our opportunity to shower love and gratitude to our family and friends. So as a way of saying thank you to all of you who has been supporting my channel and my Instagram, I am giving away this exclusive and popular Chanel holiday beauty set. So this is the Eyes to Mesmerize eye makeup set, and this set includes one base mascara volume care lash primer, one volume de Chanel mascara, and one stylo waterproof long-lasting eyeliner, and of course the popular and elegant pouch. So this set is currently out of stock in any Chanel beauty stores, including Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, and Macy's, and also at the Chanel website. This set has become popular and many are reselling this item at a premium price. They are selling this for about $150, and because it's my birth month and I'm feeling extra today, I will be adding a chain strap to this Chanel beauty set because I know most of you wants to transform this pouch into a crossbody bag. So this giveaway is open internationally, and I will post the complete details and instructions on the description box below and on my Instagram. So don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CherryStyleLux after watching this video. I'm so excited to share this Chanel beauty set to one of my lucky subscribers. So best of luck to those who are joining my first ever giveaway. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to be notified when I upload my new video. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CherryStyleLux, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!